guys, this is Megenzy and you're watching the first video on my YouTube channel, Megenzy Electronics Engineer. Okay, so in lockdown is still going on, and a quick tour about my channel. My channel will contain tutorials on deep learning with computer vision, artificial intelligence, web design, and ethical hacking, and a cool more stuff. Okay, so next video I'm thinking of starting off with deep learning and with computer vision. So for that we'll be using Google Colab, and to get hang of it, I think we should start with the basic commands, how to operate it with, you know, yeah, that's it. So we start with it in our next video. Hope you'll enjoy doing it. Please do like, share, and subscribe.